What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are on a little adventure. We got Silversurfer Tim in the house. We're gonna go up to Palomar Mountain. Never been up there, so we're gonna go for a little spin. Man, that bike looks clean, dude. I love that bike. That looks nice. Anyways, we're gonna go take a little cruise up there, get out of the heat. It's about I say 80 some degrees here, but like by my house it was close to 100, and it's a bit warm. So I need to go for a ride. I haven't ridden this thing since we did the 1K ride, and yeah, we're gonna go do that. So if you're bored, you're at work, I don't know, you wish you were riding, then stick around.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that say stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks. About to catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on him. Take no disrespect, might put my hands on him. Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry.
So 75 might be, I'm gonna be like, damn, it's cold up here. Whew, that's a nice beach day. I mean, our pool, when it's 80 out, we'll go out there and be like, oh no, it's too cold. Yeah, and even during winter, sometimes it's like, man, if the water was just a little warmer. They did a lot of changes over here. There used to be only one entrance over here, huh? And then like coming down to 15, they have that weird lane now where it like splits off, and like, I was like, what is this? You know, I think I've ridden through here once, through this little area. Oh, so that's when I came through here. Because we rode from San Diego back to my house, the entire back roads. We didn't take the freeway. So that's probably why we came through here, now that I'm thinking about it. But we didn't go up the mountain. You know, somehow, so I added the Daytona, the new one. It cost me $50 more a month. Well, here's the thing. I had that speeding ticket. I don't even know if it went on my record, because I hired a lawyer, and then they kind of did a little bit, but then they dropped the ball and didn't do anything, and I started getting letters from the court like, hey, you missed your court date, blah blah blah. And I was like, what? So then I called the lawyer back, and they were like, yeah, the lawyer we had, he quit. And I was like, I want my money back. So they gave me my money back. I went to the courthouse and I explained to the little administration office, and she's like, all right, well, you're past your day, but we'll give you an extension and we'll add it. And so they did it, and then I went back in and I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'll just pay it. It was like, between what I paid the lawyer and what it would have cost me, it was like a couple $100. I was like, so I just paid it. But then I don't think it ever showed up on my record, like, because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take the driving class, but I never took it. So I don't know. Well, I got kicked out of the Korea up at Point Loma and ended up going to a school called YLU, which is it was right next to Memorial Junior High in Logan Heights. But it was it's like, remember Garfield? It's like so it was that, but it was in Logan Heights, so you can imagine how fucking shitty that school was. So I was in summer school and we ditched, and up in Point Loma there's that it's not a swamp, I don't know what it's called. It's there's like a marshland. Yeah, so we used to go down there and smoke and in the bushes. Well, we ditched school, and then we were there, and all of a sudden we heard something, and one of my friends looked outside and the police were there. So the police, we booked it, and the police chased us, and so we ended up we walked to Belmont Park, and then from Belmont Park we walked home to Shelltown. Bruh, it was brutal. So we walked home, and then we were like, okay, they don't have our info. Well, one of the guys that was with us, I didn't know him, he left his backpack there, and then he snitched on us. So we went to school the following Monday, and then they pulled us all in the office, and the teacher was like, with all of the teachers, with like the principal, all the parents and all the students. They were like, they had enough weed for all of us to get high. Yeah, so they kicked us out, and then I had to go to either Garfield or Wild U, and I ended up at Wild U. And then I was like, I did 9th grade and 9th grade there, 8th and 9th grade there, and then I was like, this is stupid, I don't want to graduate from here. And so then I went to San Diego High, because that's where my mom and my grandma and all my family went there. So I graduated from San Diego High. You remember Frogman? He used to ride up here, and man, he would ride fast. This is where you practice your trail braking. I'm not very good at it, but it's something I really want to learn to do better. You know, even with the one thing, even with these impact cage, I feel like it'll never reach low enough where I'm gonna end up scraping it. Yeah. I can imagine. Now I've only driven up here in the car, but I remember when I was driving up here, I'm like, man, this is a nice road. Like, this is a road to bring a bike up of. Yeah. Wow. That's a turn. Yeah. Ooh, that's bumpy. That just seems like a cool thing. And it's like filtered water from the stream. Really? So this water comes from the spring. What? So that's pretty cool. So you can come in here and fill up a water bottle or something. No button there. No. No. Huh. That's cool though. Probably had someone fuck with it. So apparently the water from the spring used to flow down here, and you could fill your water bottle with natural spring water to drink from. That's cool. Yeah, that sucks. That would have been really cool. Gets hot very quick. Yeah, this is a steep ass mountain. Yeah, second gear seems to be, oh man, oh, bumps. Second gear seems to be the perfect for coming out of a turn here. Ooh. That's alright, man. I got water. I'm gonna drink a little. In memory of George Pacheco of the Pecores Pueblo tribe and firefighter. He gave his life on a fire, La Jolla fire, October 5th, 1999. Well, we'll be right back. Alright guys, well that was Palomar Mountain. Not sure how much video or footage I got out of this, but that was a cool ride. Big shout out to Silversurfer Tim. Check out his channel. I don't know if he made a video. I actually wasn't sure I was going to make a video either. I just wanted to come out and ride. I haven't ridden since we did our 1K ride. So today I am pretty much going to get home, hopefully with enough time to make it to the dealership, pick up some oil. So so I can do an oil change tomorrow on her. And I need some new boots. I don't know if you can see if I can show you my boots. Hold on, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Alright, there's my boot. You can see it's seen better days. And so I need a new boot. And that's something I'm gonna do too. I need some more equipment. It's always something, man, that's for sure. It turned out to a beautiful day. It's still hot, but it is what it is. It's nice, it's nice. Problem is I got about an hour ride home now.